Have you noticed that all of the successful and accomplished people in life have a plan and vision for their life? If you want to be able to bring your dreams to life, then stick around, my friend, because I'm going to be sharing tips and techniques on how to dream it, plan it, and do it. Welcome back, everyone. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Farzana. I'm a life coach and a transformation teacher, and I help people just like you to navigate the process of change and personal development. There are a lot of people who think that having a vision for your life is a complete woo-woo waste of time. But then again, these are the very same people who then complain that their life is boring or it sucks or it's frustrating, and also have no vision, no long-term goals, and take zero responsibility for shaping their life to be the life that they really, really want. And without having a vision, how is that really going to happen? Creating a compelling vision for your life is actually the smartest investment of your time ever. Because the truth of the matter is, if you don't know where you are going, you're going to end up somewhere else, right? You're going to end up in places that you didn't want to go, doing the things that you don't want to do, hanging out with people that you don't really want to be hanging out with, hanging out with people who don't motivate, inspire, or uplift you in any way. You know what your vision is, where you are going, where you are headed for. That just makes the journey a lot less stressful, right? Because now you have a plan. So let's dive right into today's exercise, which is all about designing the next chapter of your life. And in order to design the next chapter of your life, you got to have a vision, and you've got to have a way to be able to bring the invisible to the visible. And so we're going to be creating a vision board. All right, really good. Let's do a quick vision test on your vision. So I'm going to throw up 7 statements, and I'd like for you to go ahead and score yourself 1 to 10. 1 being, this statement is just not true for me. A 10 being, oh yeah, I totally agree with this statement. Got it? All right, let's do this. So number 1, I have a clear vision of who I am and want to be as a person. Number 2, I know the sorts of environments that I thrive in. Number 3, I have a clear vision for my ideal romantic relationship. Number 4, I know exactly how much money I need to live my chosen lifestyle and vision. Number 5, I am satisfied with my current level of health and fitness. Number 6, my livelihood, my career, my business, my service to the world is fulfilling, and I love what I do. Number 7, I have a clear vision of how I would like my vision to unfold over the next 2 to 5 years. So based on that rating that we just did, which area of your life are you going to start with as you start to improve every area of your life and bring it into satisfaction and accordance with the life that you actually want to live? Will it be your health, career, finances, relationships? All right, so now that you've picked the area of your life that you are going to start with to start creating improvement in your life, to get into alignment with your bigger vision, let's get going with making this vision board. So try to think of this exercise as if you were doing a rebrand on your life. How would you start? You'd probably start with some sort of a mood board, right? You'd have some sort of a color palette, some sort of a theme, a vibe, and a feeling. And so a vision board is basically the same thing. The vision board is a mood board for your life. You're going to use it to redesign the new chapter of your life. You are designing a whole new chapter of your life. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What are the colors? What are the moods? Who are the people you're sharing this chapter? Who are the characters in this life? Where are you going? What are you doing? What are the colors? What are the words? What are the moods? Have fun. So your vision board is basically just a collage of words, images, pictures, photographs, postcards, whatever you can get your hands on that express the theme of this new vision that you have for the new chapter of your life. Now you can go ahead and make a physical vision board, or you can make a digital board. That's entirely up to you and totally your preference, right? Me, I personally like to have a physical vision board, and I don't just have a vision board, I actually have a vision wall to put all of my pictures and my words that reflect the vision and the life that I'm working towards and the Farzana that I'm working towards becoming. Because then when I walk into my studio every morning, I am connecting with my vision, the vision of where I want to go with my life, the vision of who I want to become. I'm connecting with my vision. I'm connecting with my future self. It's becoming more and more real to me because every single day I am looking at my vision and I'm connecting with it and I'm believing in it. I'm contemplating it every single day, right? I connect with this future, making it more and more real to myself, in my mind, in my heart, and then I am taking the steps to make it come true. Because I've made a roadmap, Hey, if you're getting value from these tips and techniques and exercises, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please feel free to share the video with anyone else, your friends or family, who could also find these tips and techniques useful. Like I said, just allow yourself to play. The great thing about a vision board and why it works is that it tunes you into your intuition. And now your intuition is that part of yourself that is not bound by logic and what is happening and what your current circumstances are, which is great, right? Because it totally bypasses your overthinking, analytical, and logic mind, which so often just gets in the way, right? Your gut, your intuition, moves fast. It makes decisions quickly and perceptively. It's like you get into a magic flow when you're in with intuition, right? So let this fun exercise of creating a vision board tune you into your intuition, get you familiar of what it feels like to be in your intuitive zone, your intuitive flow, the magical flow, the happy flow, the playful flow. Let your intuition guide you and show you what your ideal life looks like and feels like. And carve out some time to be able to do this exercise properly and really have a lot of fun with it. It's a fun exercise. You are designing and envisioning the next chapter of your life. What could possibly be more important? Look at your vision board every single day. Check out every single image. What does it mean to you? What is it telling you? What do the words mean? What do the words tell you? Start becoming one with your vision, right? Start believing it, because the truth of the matter is we can only receive that which we believe. If you don't believe any of the things on your vision board are actually possible for you, well, then you're setting yourself up for failure, right? So the key to the vision board is that you have to see it And then you have to start feeling it and start believing it, and believing it is possible, right? And then how do you actually bring it to be? How do you plan to bring this vision, this dream to life? Because as we all know, a dream is just a dream until you actually start making the steps towards it, right? You need to start walking into your vision board. You need to start hearing the seagulls in that picture of the beach. You need to start feeling the breeze of those palm trees. You need to feel how comfy that cottage is that you live in. You have to feel the sweetness of that relationship you're trying to attract, right? It starts becoming real. And the more that you think about it, the more that you nurture this dream, the more likely it's going to come true. But as I said, it just remains a dream on your wall until you actually make a plan for it, until you start taking some action steps to bring it into reality, right? So the more that you connect with your vision, the more that you connect with your future self, the more that you commit to your future self, the more likely it is that you are going to bring this beautiful vision to life and actually live it. So you gotta dream it, you gotta plan it, and you gotta do it to live it. My name is Farzana. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you as always. And if you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll like it. And I really hope that you'll share it with anyone else in your circle, your friends, your family, who could get some value in designing their new chapter of their life.